Now we'll go to the now we'll go to the third question. So there also we're not going to do each and every question. Just look at that very easy questions. First one, verify that the 3 points are vertices of an isosceles triangle. So just for a moment, what you have to do is okay, just triangle. Okay, uh, 1 second. Okay, so we don't know what we will take is we just consider this as 3 points. So let A, B, C. So we have to prove that isosceles triangle. So what we have to do is you have to find three sides AB, BC, and AC. Then इसमें से कोई भी दो sides equal है तो they are isosceles. So if so what you have to do is you have to find all these three sides. If any of these three sides or any two of these three sides, any two of these three sides, any two of the three sides are equal, then it is isosceles triangle. Correct? So simple thing, what you have to do is you have to find, you can just name this as A, B, C. Just find A, B, B, C, and AC using distance formula. Out of these three, if two are equal, that means two sides of the triangle are equal, then it is an isosceles triangle. Next question also the same thing. There we have to prove it is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. So right angle triangle क्या होगा? जैसे you have three sides, like okay, you can just give it as A, B, C. So if you are able to prove, so you have to find A, B, B, C, and AC. So we don't know which is diagonal and all. Just find three sides. So if sum of squares of two small sides, थ्री साइड्स मिलेगा उसमें से दो दो स्मॉल साइड्स लेना उसका स्क्वायर का सम, if it is equal to sum of the square of the third side, two sides का square का sum, if it is equal to the square of the third side, not sum of the square, it's just equal to the square of the third side because only one side is there. So the square of the third side, then it is right angle triangle. Correct? Understood? Is there any need to do it? Because it's same thing, you have to use distance formula and just find it A, B, B, C, A, C, and just do it. And then next is prove that it is parallelogram. So parallelogram ka aise ki there are four sides. So you can just name it as A, B, C, D. Prove that parallelogram specialty kya hai? Opposite sides are equal. So if two sides are equal, then we can say it is two pairs of opposite sides are equal, then we can say it is a parallelogram. Okay. Just we'll do, if you want, we can do one of them. Okay. Just say A, you can just call it as a minus 1, 2, 1. B, which is 1, minus 2, 5. C is the point 4, negative 7, 8. And D is the point 2 minus 3, 4. So four sides you have to find A, B, B, C. This may not be the correct figure. We don't know in which order the vertices are coming. Just find the four sides. We need the side AB, then we need the side BC, we need the side CD, and we need the side DA or AD, whatever it is. So AB. So इधर देखो AB का आएगा 1 minus minus 1 1, so b minus like 1 minus minus 1 2 का square 4, so आपको मिलेगा it is under root 4 plus, then here minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 का square 16, so 2 4 plus 16 plus देन 5 - 1 इज 4, 4 का स्क्वायर 16, सो आपको मिला 36. ओके, लेट इट इज 6. नाउ BC का देखो, BC 4 - 1 इज 3, 3 का स्क्वायर इट इज 9 प्लस -7 -2, -7 -2 is -5, -7 -2 -7 plus 2, that is -5, -5 का square 25 plus 8 - 5 is 3, 3 का square 9, so आपको मिला 25 plus 9 plus 9, that is 25 plus 18, 25 plus 18, that is 43. Okay, now CD, so 2, कैसे भी 4 - 2 or 2 - 4, whatever it is you can do. 4 - 2 is 2, 2 का square, 2 का square is 4, नहीं तो DC 2 - 4 -2 -2 का square 4 plus -3 -7, so -3 plus 7, -3 plus 7 is 4, 4 का square 16 plus 4 - 8, 4 - 8 is -4, -4 का square 16, so आपको मिला this is 36, which is equal to 6. So now DA, so -1 -2, that is -3 का square 9 plus 2 minus -3, 2 minus -3 is 2 plus 3, 5, 5 का square 29, 25 plus 1 minus 4, 1 minus 4 is -3, -3 का square 9, so ये आपको मिला है √43. So you can see that AB and CD, so AB वो बराबर आ गया, AB is 6, CD is 6, DA is √43, AB is BC is √43. Okay, so you can see that since opposite sides are equal, so both pairs of opposite sides. So that is a specialty of a parallelogram. If both pairs of opposite sides are equal, then it is a parallelogram. So we proved that the given 4 points that represents the vertices of a parallelogram. Got it? Now we'll go to the next question. Okay, we will do the last two questions. See here, find the equation of the set of points which are equidistant from the points 1, 2, 3 and 3, 2, minus. So 2 points, like, so this is, say this is the point 1, 2, 3. So there is another point 3, 2, -1. So इसमें से जो, so this, ये पॉइंट्स है जो इक्विडिस्टेंट में है पॉइंट्स, वो सबका कलेक्शन उसका, so बहुत सारा पॉइंट्स होगा ना, जैसे इधर एक ऐसे पॉइंट्स आ सकते हैं, so ये दोनों डिस्टेंस सेम हो सकते हैं, राइट, ये दोनों डिस्टेंस सेम, so this is the point P. so ऐसे बहुत सारा पॉइंट्स होगा, नहीं है तो आपको पता है ना, if you draw perpendicular bisector, if you draw perpendicular bisector for a line like this, see this is a line, if you draw perpendicular bisector, that's a property, I hope you know that, if any point on the perpendicular bisector of a line lies equidistant from both endpoints. So इस लाइन में, so ये तो आपको पता होने का कोई जरूरत भी नहीं, but just I'm just telling you, any point on this line, that means perpendicular bisector of a line segment. So if you take any point on that line, किधर भी point ले लो, वो ये n point से equal distance में ही होगा, ठीक है, so that we know. So उसका collection, that means we have to find the equation of that line. ये आइडिया आपको पता नहीं है तो भी आपके पास 2 पॉइंट्स है, यू जस्ट कॉल इट एज लेट बी ए एंड बी. सो इसमें से जो इक्विडिस्टेंट पॉइंट, दैट मीन्स हमें पता है कि पी ए इज इक्वल टू पी बी, दैट इज व्हाट दे सेड. सो नॉर्मली हम ये डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला में नॉर्मली क्या होता है, पी ए लिखेंगे तो अंडर रूट आएगा ना, सो अंडर रूट अवॉइड करने के लिए सो हम क्या करेंगे, दोनों साइड स्क्वायर करेंगे. सो पी ए का स्क्वायर इट इज सेम एज पी बी का स्क्वायर. सो पी ए का स्क्वायर क्या होगा, सो पी ए मतलब क्या था, अंडर रूट एक्स -1 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square plus z minus 3 the whole square. So under root the वो under root वो that is pa, but under root निकालने के लिए हमने स्क्वायर किया था. So that is equal to pb. pb का x minus 3 the whole square plus sorry y minus 2 the whole square plus z minus minus 1 that is z plus 1 the whole square. So they go, so given that this point P it is lies equidistant from both the points A and B, so it is PA and PB are equal, that means their squares are also equal. Now just simplify and you will get the equation, that's all. X minus 1 the whole square is x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 4y plus 4 plus z square minus 6x plus 9. This is equals x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus, so even you can avoid that directly, you can cut कर सकते हैं y minus 2 the whole square from both sides. Y square minus 4y plus 4, there is no need to write already, if you cut there is no need to write that. Then z square plus 2z plus 1. So ये कट हो गया, वाई स्क्वायर माइनस फोर वाई प्लस नाइन, वाई स्क्वायर माइनस फोर वाई प्लस फोर, दोनों साइड से कट हो गया. इधर से एक एक्स स्क्वायर, ये एक्स स्क्वायर कट हो जाएगा, राइट साइड से भी एक्स स्क्वायर कट हो जाएगा. देन इधर से इसेट स्क्वायर कट हो जाएगा, इधर से भी इसेट स्क्वायर कट हो जाएगा. बाकी आपको जो मिलेगा इट इज देखो माइनस टू एक्स प्लस वन माइनस सिक्स, इधर मैंने मिस्टेक किया, इट इज नॉट एक्स, इट इज x z square minus 6z plus 9. So minus 6z plus 9. So ये minus 6x राइट साइड में आएंगे तो प्लस 6x, प्लस 9 में लेफ्ट साइड, माइनस 6x लेफ्ट साइड में आएंगे तो प्लस 6x, प्लस 9 लेफ्ट साइड में आ गया माइनस 9, देन प्लस 2 इस लेफ्ट साइड में माइनस 2 इस प्लस 1 लेफ्ट साइड में आ गया माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0. सब देख सकते हैं माइनस 2x प्लस 6x से हो गया 4x minus 6 is z minus 2 is z is minus 8 is z. Then 1 plus 9 10, 10 minus 9 1, 1 minus 1 0. So that means what you're getting is 0. It is, that is plus 0 is equal to 0, that means divide with the 4, that implies x minus 2 is z is equal to 0. X minus 2 is equal to 0. So that's the equation. That's the equation of set of points which lies equidistant from these 2 points. Okay. So and actually here you can see that it's the equation of a line, x minus 2 is equal to 0. It's okay if you don't know what is, that's a line and all those things. This concept you can, PA is equal to PB, so squaring both sides, then simplify करेंगे तो आपको एक equation मिलेगा. That equation will represent the set of points which are equidistant from the points 1 2 3 and 3 2 minus 1. Got it? Now last question. It's the same thing again. Find the equation set of points, sum of whose distance from these 2 points is equal to 10. Then abhi either there's a different thing. There is a point A, its coordinate is 4 0 0. There is another point B, its coordinate is minus 4 0 0. अभी ऐसे पॉइंट्स है जैसे पॉइंट्स P, सो वैसे बहुत सारा पॉइंट्स होगा, जैसे इसका स्पेशलिटी ऐसे है कि पी ए पी बी सम ऑफ उस डिस्टेंसेस, दैट मीन्स पी ए प्लस पी बी sum of whose distances from that 2 points is equal to 10. PA plus PB is equal to 10. So we don't know what is P, so we call it as X, Y, Z. ऐसे बहुत सारे पॉइंट होगा, जैसे ये 2 है, ये 8, मान लीजिए this is 2, PA is 2, PB is 8, sum is 10. Or if PA is 7, PB is, sorry, PA is 3, PB is 7. So 3, 7, sum is 10. और it's 1, 9, sum is 10. So ऐसे बहुत सारा पॉइंट्स होगा. उस सब पॉइंट्स का कलेक्शन, कोई भी एक कर्व मिलेगा, ग्राफ मिलेगा, वी डोंट नो, वी हैव टू फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ दैट. Okay, so PA plus PB is equal to 0. So now, so what you have to do is PA. So इधर हम डायरेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं करेंगे, we have to find PA. So PA is under root x minus 4 the whole square plus y minus 0, that is y square, plus z minus 0, that is z square. X minus 4 the whole square, then y2 minus 1, y minus 0, y minus 0 is y ka square, z minus 0 is z ka square. So now plus PB. So x minus minus 4, that is x plus 4 the whole square, plus y minus 0, that is y iska square, plus z minus 0, that is z iska square. This is equal to 10. Now we can see that there are two rational expressions. So for solving this, we will not directly square. If you directly square, what will happen? Left side it is a plus b the whole square. So a square plus b square or direct चला जाएगा. But 2ab there is a term. So 2ab करेंगे तो 2 into first into second. Again rational expression will be there. So इसलिए whenever two rational expression comes in an expression, what we will do is we will take one of them to the other side. Okay. So what we will do, it is under root x minus 4 the whole square plus y square plus z square. So we'll keep it there. This is equals 10 minus under root x plus 4 the whole square plus y square plus z square. So now what we will do, we'll square both sides. Now just square both sides. So right side when you square karega, you have to keep in mind it is of the form a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So that should be in your mind. So when you square, so left side में क्या होगा, directly square root चला जाएगा. So x minus 4 the whole square plus y square plus z square. This is equal to a minus b the whole square. A square is 100 minus 2ab, 2 into 10, 20 into under root x plus 4 the whole square plus y square plus z square plus a square minus 2ab plus b square. So second time का square करेंगे तो square root चला जाएगा, x plus 4 the whole square plus y square plus z square. Okay. Now you can do one thing, like you can see दोनों side में like y square z square are there, you can cancel it, y square plus z square, no problem, right? Now just simplify this. This is x minus 4 the whole square, that is x square minus 2ab, 2 into 4, 8x plus 16 is equal to 100 is there, okay, let it be there, minus 20 into under root x plus 4 the whole square plus y square plus z square plus this is x square plus 2ab, that is 8x plus 16. So again you can see that you can cancel this x square from both sides and we can cancel this plus 16 plus 16 both sides. So and now you can do one thing, this minus that much things you can take it to the left side and this minus 8x को आप right side में लेके आ सकते हैं. Now I'll write on top with some other ink. So आपको मिलेगा 20 into under root x plus 4 the whole square plus y square plus z square. Then minus 8x right side में आएंगे तो plus 8x हो जाएगा. सो 8x प्लस 8x हो जाएगा 16x प्लस 100 इज ऑलरेडी देयर, सो इट इज इतना तो हो गया। अभी देखो फिर से स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड्स, नाउ यू हैव टू स्क्वायर अगेन, और यू कैन सिंप्लीफाई इफ यू वांट, यू कैन जस्ट इधर 16 से आप चाहिए तो 4 कॉमन निकाल सकते। इफ यू टेक 4 कॉमन इट इज 4x प्लस 25, सो वो 4x प्लस 25 हो जाएगा, ये 4 इधर कट हो जाएगा, बाकी इधर 5 आएगा। नाउ स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड्स, सो व्हेन यू स्क्वायर 5 का स्क्वायर 25, बाकी स्क्वायर रूट चला जाएगा, सो बाकी आपको मिलेगा x प्लस 4 द स्क्वायर, x प्लस 4 स्क्वायर इज x स्क्वायर प्लस 8x प्लस 16 प्लस वाई स्क्वायर प्लस z स्क्वायर, स्क्वायर रूट चला गया, बाकी सब ऐसे ही लिखा, विच इज इक्वल टू 4x प्लस 25 का स्क्वायर, सो 4x प्लस 25 का स्क्वायर आएगा, सो 4x प्लस 25 का स्क्वायर इट इज 4x का स्क्वायर इट इज 16x स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab, so 25 2 into 4 into 20 or 2 into 25 into 4, that is 200x प्लस 25 का स्क्वायर 625 ऐसे मिलेगा। नाउ इट इज जस्ट सिंप्लीफिकेशन ओनली, just multiply 25 into x square, that is 25x square plus 25 into 8, that is 200x plus 25 into 16, which is 400, plus 25 into y square, 25y square, plus 25 into z square, 25z square, so minus 16x square minus 200x minus 625 is equal to 0. So 25x square से 16x square गया है, तो बाकी 9x square, shall I write to left side, so I'm writing 9x square, then plus 25y square plus 25z square is there, okay, then 200x minus 200x cancel हो जाएगा, 400 minus 625, that is minus 225 is equal to 0, right, हो गया, so that is the equation, got it, so that's all. So we don't know what curve it is, we are not bothering about that, what type of curve and all those things. So that's this equation will represent the set of points, the collection of all points, as that the sum of, if on that curve, if अभी जो एक इक्वेशन मिला इसका कोई तो ग्राफ होगा ही होगा, there is a graph for this, उस ग्राफ में जितना भी पॉइंट्स है उस पॉइंट्स का डिस्टेंस ए एंड बी से डिस्टेंस करेंगे पी ए एंड पी बी, उसका सम हमेशा आपको 10 ही मिलेगा, ठीक है, गॉट इट। Okay, see you in the next class. Remaining questions, there's one more section remaining that we will discuss in the next class.